Yawning isn't just boredom, it's your brain cooling down. When you yawn, the deep intake of air cools your brain, while stretching the jaw muscles increases blood flow. This cooling effect prepares the brain for rest and helps regulate alertness. That's why yawning often happens right before sleep. It's your body's way of telling the mind to slow down. So next time you yawn, don't fight it. Let it guide you into deeper sleep. Follow for more science-based sleep tips.
Sleep with confidence.